Are you looking for the best greenhouses? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best greenhouses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SPECILITE Walk-in Greenhouse. You don't have to shell out thousands or even hundreds for a quality greenhouse. Case in point, the SPECILITE Walk-in Greenhouse. At just under $100, this option nails the basics with a stable, spacious construction. We like that it can fit up to 24 plants on its built-in shelves. Unlike our overall best pick, this greenhouse's walls are made from polyethylene, PE, which is more cost-friendly. However, it's still resistant to rain and snow thanks to the steel frame. However, for warmer climates and seasons, this pick may not be ideal. While it has handy screen windows for passive ventilation, there aren't any included fans or outlets to keep the temperature down. Still, we like how quick and easy it is to assemble this pick. Dimensions: 56 by 56 by 78 inches, frame material, steel, door type, zippered roll-up shutters, included accessories, built-in shelves. Number 2. Eagle Peak Portable Walk-in Greenhouse. For those just starting out with greenhouses, we suggest a small, simple setup option like the Eagle Peak Instant Pop-Up Greenhouse. The pre-assembled frame stands out to us with this pick, as it simply pops up with a push-and lock system. This ensures you can enjoy your greenhouse right away without any hassle, especially for those who haven't assembled one before. We like that the frame is made partly from corrosion-resistant steel. It's further reinforced with ropes and stakes so that it stays stable through wind and rain. Like our best budget pick, this option has a more pliable PE cover as opposed to hard walls. Still, it is UV and water resistant, and comes with 2 ventilation windows to maintain optimal conditions for plant growth. We like that the interior is roomy enough to hold a variety of plants, with a walk-in design for access to all your greenery. You can choose from 3 adjustable height settings based on how much airflow and protection you need. Dimensions: 6 by 8 by 7.55 feet, frame material, steel, door type, roll-up with zipper, included accessories, stakes, ropes, storage pocket. Number 3. Palram Canopia Harmony 6 by 10 Greenhouse Kit. In particularly chilly climates, it's important to have a greenhouse that can retain heat and hold up against moisture. We like the Palram Canopia Walk-in Greenhouse Kit for this purpose. It comes with integrated rain gutters, which keep water from building up while saving water for gardening. The twin-wall roof panels offer support for up to 15 pounds of snow at a time. Plus, the angled design ensures snow doesn't collect. While the manufacturer states that the greenhouse can withstand winds up to 56 miles per hour, we recommend purchasing the separate anchoring kit to keep it in place, especially if you live in a stormy area. For warmer seasons, we like that the panels are UV protected and that the roof comes with an adjustable vent so that plants can thrive. The double doors allow enough clearance for wheelbarrows and lawnmowers, and they each have a handy lockable handle and magnetic catch for an extra layer of security. Dimensions: 6 by 4 by 6.8 feet, frame material, aluminum, door type, hinged, included accessories, rain gutters, lockable door handle, adjustable roof vent, low threshold ramp. Number 4. Yardistry Meridian Double Wall Greenhouse. If you live in a region with particularly hot summers, it can be worth it to invest in a well-ventilated option like the Yardistry Meridian DIY Greenhouse Kit. We love that this option comes with an automatic roof vent that opens based on heat levels. This maintains an ideal temperature and humidity for your greenery. There's a louvered base wall vent for extra air intake in hot months, and we also like that the double polycarbonate wall panels are resistant to UV rays to further prevent plants from burning. Meanwhile, in winter, they provide extra insulation. Similar to our overall best pick, this greenhouse has a beautiful cedar frame, which is rot resistant. We love that there are upper and lower shelves built into the interior as well, so all your plants have a home. Dimensions: 8 by 7 by 8 feet, frame material, cedarwood, door type, hinge with quick hold feature, included accessories, door latch, vents. Number 5. Palram Canopia Lean-To Greenhouse. For smaller yards, lean-to greenhouses are a great option to save space. The Palram Canopia lean-to greenhouse is a solid pick for milder climates, with a rust-resistant aluminum frame and galvanized steel base to keep it in place. While the polycarbonate panels of this greenhouse are somewhat flimsier than options like our overall best pick, they are still effective at blocking out UV rays. The manufacturer also states that it can withstand strong winds and snow. However, it may not be as durable in areas that are prone to strong winds. Still, we like that this option comes with rain gutters to save water. There is also an adjustable roof vent to prevent plants from overheating or burning on summer days. Dimensions: 96 by 49 by 88.6 inches, frame material, aluminum, door type, hinged, included accessories, rain gutters, roof vent.